Welcome back to Thrive in 5, where I give you a quick burst of motivation and productivity in 5 minutes or less. I'm Cindy, your host, a self-made entrepreneur, busy mom, and business coach. I've built and sold several digital businesses ranging from 5 to 6-figure successes. So when it comes to managing time and priorities in both life and work, I get it. I've been there, and I'm here to help you thrive. Today, I'm going to share with you a game-changing tip that can instantly boost your productivity. It's called the 2-minute rule. Have you ever struggled to get through your to-do list, felt overwhelmed by the little tasks piling up? Then this one's for you. The 2-minute rule is super simple, and you can start using it right away to get more done in less time. So what is the 2-minute rule? The idea behind the 2-minute rule is this. If a task will take 2 minutes or less to complete, do it right away. Don't overthink it. Don't schedule it for later. Just handle it in the moment. This applies to those small, easy to overlook tasks that tend to pile up, like responding to a quick email, putting away the dishes, or jotting down a reminder. Knocking out these small tasks immediately, you avoid letting them accumulate, and your to-do list becomes much more manageable. By knocking out these small tasks immediately, you avoid letting them accumulate, and your to-do list becomes much more manageable. So why exactly does this 2-minute rule work anyway? It works because it eliminates procrastination and decision fatigue. Yeah, it's a real thing. When you take care of the small tasks right away, you clear mental space for bigger, more complex tasks that need your full attention. Plus, those tiny wins, we've talked about them before. Those tiny wins give you a sense of accomplishment, boosting your momentum for the rest of the day. Think about how many 2-minute tasks are sitting on your to-do list right now. Quick emails, tidying up, checking your calendar. Imagine how much more organized you will feel if you tackle those tasks as they came up. So let's break it down a little more. How are we going to use the 2-minute rule? This is how you're going to apply it to your day. Number 1, throughout the day, ask yourself, can I complete this task in 2 minutes or less? Step 2, if the answer is yes, do it immediately. Step 3, if the answer is no, you're going to schedule it or batch it with similar tasks to handle later. This tiny habit can make a huge difference in your productivity, especially when it comes to staying on top of the little things that always tend to pile up. And there you have it. The 2-minute rule is a simple habit that can help you get more done in less time. Start using it today and you'll see how quickly your productivity improves. You've got this. Thanks for spending these 5 minutes with me on Thrive in 5. If today's tip was helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and share with another amazing person who could use a little productivity boost. And tag exclusively Cindy on social media. I'd love to hear how you are using these tips and which ones are your favorite. Until next time, stay focused and keep thriving.